Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, Goa Awareness Network. I just got back from the Assistant Registrar Office in MAPSA. As I mentioned before in my previous video, that today, 30th March, would be the hearing for the show cause notice and for my membership. So we went fully prepared, and we had expected that the managing committee would try their usual tactics, which they did. And once again, they sent another advocate, and he again comes without a wakalatnama, just trying to buy time. So, but this time around, the assistant registrar was very firm. And he said that, look, he told the advocate that you all cannot try this delaying tactics over and over again. It's not going to work. He told the advocate that he's giving him a very short date, like he's given the next date for the 6th of April. And he very clearly told him that if they come without any documents or if they come with any other excuse, he, the assistant registrar, will be anyways forced to take a decision. So we are happy. We are very happy. We were very happy to hear that, me as well as the member who had come along with, he was the member who had filed the case. Now, we know that we are winning. We know that we have already won. The reason being is that it's true that the truth always wins. In the end, no matter how much lies someone can say or try to cover up, but in the end, the truth always wins. We know that. And we have concrete evidence with us, proof of all the manipulation, proof of the AGM, the manipulation of the AGM minutes. And I'm not sure if I had mentioned in my last video that since the managing committee refused to share financial transactions, bank statements, even though the member had given in writing, sent email, requested over and over again, they just ignored all the pleas and they just turned a deaf ear, and they did not give any financial transaction. So what I did was I went to the registrar's office and I filed for those documents, to get those documents through RTI. And we got the audit report. And as expected, the audit report was completely made up, manipulated. 80%, I think more than 80% of what was mentioned in the audit report was all made up, manipulated. And I think this time around, the auditor who has put a stamp on it, she's going to be in big trouble. She's going to be in very big trouble. Well, I'm saying this because I got this audit report, this particular audit report, verified by a certified auditor. And given the information, the limited information that I had with me, so I gave it to the auditor and he went through the report and he said that the report is questionable based on what I had informed him. And even for a non-accounting person like me, one glance at the numbers that was mentioned, because they just threw in numbers, and one glance, and I knew that they had this full audit report was manipulated. So this was, the managing committee had attempted to cure its defaults, the statutory defaults, by producing this audit report. This is what has happened. It's a very unethical thing to do, and that's the reason why I said we are going to challenge it for sure. Well, having said that, just this morning I received a video clip, a very interesting video clip, which I'm going to share with you guys. It is a must see for all the Goans.
ह्या फुडें तर दाखोवंक जाय. मगाशी बाबडीनो काल म्हजे लागीं कोण एकटो मनीस आयलो आनी अशें उलयतना म्हणटालो एकूच वोस एक कमांडमेंट ह्या सगळ्या पॉलिटिशियनाक आमी शिकोवंक जाय. एक कमांडमेंट एकूच. आनी कसलो कमांडमेंट? चोरू न्हय. शिकोयात तुमच्या पॉलिटिशियनाक. चोरू न्हय हो कमांडमेंट शिकोयात. कित्याक सगळे चोर कोणाचें चिंतिना. थंयसर एथिक्स म्हणटात तेन्ना, थंयसर मॉरल्स म्हणटात तेन्ना, कोणाचें तर दुखत कोणाक वायट जायत ते चिंतिनात. थंयसर देवस्पण म्हणटात तेन्ना, थंयसर देवाची भिरांत म्हणटात तेन्ना, थंयसर देवाची वळख म्हणटात तेन्ना, ताका लागून कोणूय खंयच्या सुवातांनी उडयो मारतात आपली पार्टी सोडून. आनी मागीर थंयसर सगळे तराचो अन्याय ओनीत. आनी मागीर तूं कोणायक आयकना. तूंच एक तुका पयलीं सुवातेर शिकप ना, पूण तूं समजा तूं जाणा म्हणून सगळे आनी शिकलेलो लोक तुमी आवटे म्हणून आमी आवटे जावन भोंवतात. असली सिट्युएशन आमच्या मदें ही उत्पन्न केलोली आसा. मोगाच्या भाव भयणीनो, तुज्या घरांत तुजे लागीं वोट मागूंक येतना एकूच मानमेंत तांकां शिकय, चोरू न्हय. ह्या मनशान म्हजे लागीं उलोवले आनी गेलो आनी हांवें जायते नियाळ केले. चोत आसलोलें, सगळे चोर, कोणूच एकलो पासून बरो ना. सगळे आपणाक जाय ते भाशेन ते करूंक सोदतात. आतां परत एक नियाळात. गोंय केदें. आमचो गोंयचो रेडियस जावन आसा 60 किलोमिटर रेडियस. ओके, इतलेंच. नॉर्थ टू सावथ आमी मेजलें जाल्यार 110 किलोमिटर्स डिस्टन्स गोंयचें. इल्लेशें एक डॉट इंडियेच्या मॅपाचेर. कितल्यो पार्ट्यो आमच्या गोंयांत, कितल्यो पार्टी आसात. तर कित्याक? सगळे लोक आपलेपणान जियेतात. आनिकूय पार्ट्यो जावपाच्यो आसात आतां फुडल्या इलेक्शनाक. तर इतल्यो पॉलिटिकल पार्ट्यो ह्या इल्ल्याशा धाकटुल्या गोंयांत कित्याक? दाखयता गोंयकारांचें ते वयल्याक हाडून गोंयचे लिडर करूंक ना. आमचेच लिडर, आमचेच सगळे, तातूंत क्रिस्तांव चड. आनी सगळे सेल्फिशपण, आपलेपण, चोरपाचें, आपणाक कितलो फायदो जावपाचो हेंच तांचें मन आनी महत्व. किरीत भाशेन सुरवात हांवें केल्ली समाजाच्या डेफिनेशनाचेर. तर मोगाच्या भाव भयणीनो, हांव क्रिस्तांव पॉलिटिकल लिडर्स तांकां सांगता, तुमी रावात, तुमचे दीस मेजल्यात, सगल्यांक हिशोब दिवचो पडटलो देवा मुखार. कित्याक गव्हर्मेंट चलोवन मनशाची सेवा चाकरी जावंक जाय आसलेलो हे देवाचें सैम. आनी देवान तें आमकां दिलां, तें तुमी पाळूंक ना. वयल्यान लोकांक त्रास केले, कोस्ट दिले, चोरले, नागुयले. आयज गोंय बँकराफ्ट जावन पडलां. गव्हर्मेंटा लागीं पयसो ना. गव्हर्मेंट इन्स्टिट्युशन्स पळय आसात ती मॉडर्न पडल्यात. गव्हर्मेंट बिल्डिंगां पळय आसात ती सगळीं मॉडर्न पडल्यात. कित्याक तुमी सगल्यांनी चोरलां. कर्मा म्हणून एक कॉन्सेप्ट आसा, तो आमकांय लागता, क्रिस्तांवांक, हिंदूकूय लागता. ते चड मानतात. सगल्यांक तुमचो हिशोब दिवपाक तुमचो देव तुमकां रावता. तर उडासुरात सगल्यांनी हिशोब दिवंक जाय. कोण सुटचे नात देवाच्या सोपक्यांतले. म्हणटूच ह्या फुडें मोगाच्या भाव भयणीनो,
I completely agree. I love this video. I totally agree with what Father was saying. And having said that, I would like to warn, or rather, yes, it is a warning. It is, or you can say a request, or whatever you call it, to all of you who are watching. You need to be careful. You need to be more alert. You need to be vigilant in whatever is happening. You're living in a society, you have invested money in a property. So at least you should, it's your responsibility to know what is happening around you. Now, say for example, if I had not made an attempt or resolved to find answers, I wouldn't have known what I know today. So many things are happening. So many things are happening in this society. So much manipulation going on. We are paying a very big amount for maintenance, and we don't know how the money is being spent. The simple reason is because the managing committee does not want you to know. They want you to pay, and that's it. They don't want you to ask questions. So number one, please, all of you all remember that if, for whatever reason, the committee, the board, are not sharing financial transactions, are not giving you all updates, you have every right to go and get the information from the registrar office through a RTI application, the way I did it. That's number one. Also, remember one thing, this is something that we found out, and it's still very shocking, that you have the board conducts meetings, GBM, SGM, AGM, and they discuss one thing with flat owners, and something else is added and presented to the registrar's office. I mean, this has happened in our society, so we know. So, whenever there are meetings held, I would urge all of you all, first of all, I would urge you all to make an attempt to find time to attend those meetings, because you all need to know what is happening. Because if you do not attend meetings, you all will be oblivious, you all will be confused as to what is going on, you all will not know what questions to ask. So attend those meetings, find out, because even it's your responsibility to do that. And when the minutes are recorded, each and every member of flat owner who has attended should sign the register, the page on which the minutes have been recorded, so that these minutes cannot be manipulated. So, guys, I would urge you all to be, there are so many things that you all need to do. And if there are decisions taken regarding some works which are like of high expenditure works, so you all need to put your foot down and say that, even if they say that, see, we are saving on GST and all, you all have to put your foot down and say, we don't need unlicensed contractors. We are ready to pay GST, but we want our papers, our documents in order. It is each and every person's responsibility to be accountable. To be accountable when you are living in a cooperative society. This is the entrance of our building. As soon as you come out, this is what you get to see. Now this meter box is directly exposed to the rain. When it's raining very heavily, it falls, all the water falls on the meter box, which is very dangerous. And this is supposed to be some table tennis room, games room. So this is what you get to see with the well over here, with a rusty cover, rusted out cover of the well. So here you come out, and this is your view. They don't even bother to remove these spots in spite of telling them several times. Here the parking, all broken down. So this is what you see as soon as you come out of our building. So this is our swimming pool over here, and can you see this dirty brown patch at the bottom of the pool, not been cleaned for a long time? And this is our well with the rusted top. And all this you see as soon as you come out of the building. This is our car parking. As soon as you come out, this is what you get to see. Now you see, this is what we are paying for. This is a compound wall which was painted just last year. They have charged us not 1.5 lakhs, almost 2 lakhs. And then when we ask questions, see, this is the STP, new STP was installed. All the tiles were broken. All the tiles have been broken, but nothing. Nobody is bothering to fix it up. We cannot ask questions. Now this is what I was talking about, telling them to fix it up. If we are going to pay a maintenance amount of 4,600 per month, and this is what we get, you know, we are living in a cooperative society. When we tell the management, see, this is our driveway. Now this is our driveway. This is what it looks like, totally broken. When we go outside, this place is so beautiful outside, and once you enter our compound, this is what it looks like, so shabby. This is another parking. From so many days, some garbage is collected out here, just dumped. Nobody bothers to take it out, and nobody bothers even to ask questions. So if they are taking money from us and we are asking them what it is being used for, they don't like it. And we are not supposed to ask questions about anything. So, guys, this is what you saw. This is what our society looks like. It's very disappointing because when, as I said, we are paying 4,600 per month, which is quite a lot compared to what other cooperative societies are paying. And the other societies, even though they are paying less, it's still decently maintained compared to what we are living in. So that's the reason why the board members do not want, they're trying their best not to make me a member. But it doesn't matter to me, because try as they might, they are not going to succeed. I have invested in the property. I'm not backing off, and whether I'm a flat member, they can delay my membership. But as long as I'm a flat owner, I am going to make sure that I'm going to ask questions and I'm going to hold them accountable for my money. I would like to thank everyone for all the support that you have extended to me and for the time taken to watch my previous video. I have been reading all the comments. I'm sorry the video was very long. It was my first episode and I had so much to explain. But I promise that my future videos are going to be shorter. I will try to make it more interesting. And but thank you so much. And please like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more notifications. Until then, take care, all of you, and may God bless you.